Let us now see what is the meaning of individual responsibility. The ministers are individually responsible to the President. They hold office during the pleasure of the President and may be dismissed on the advice of the Prime Minister, even though they have the confidence of the legislature. So individually they are responsible to the President and they hold the office during the pleasure of the President. And they may be dismissed on the advice of the Prime Minister, even though they have the confidence of the legislature. Example is, due to the personal lapses of the ministers, the individual responsibility, the President may dismiss on the advice of the Prime Minister or due to the departure from the official policy. So this is called as individual responsibility. 2 marks are sure questions, either from the collective responsibility or individual responsibility. So what do you mean by collective responsibility, or it will be what do you mean by individual responsibility? So give your answer stating the reason. So now, what have we learned from this lesson? We have learnt about the Prime Minister, how is the Prime Minister appointed, the appointment of the Cabinet and the Council of Ministers, the 3 categories of ministers and the distinction between the Council of Ministers and the Cabinet, and we have also learnt about the powers of the Prime Minister and the meaning of collective and individual responsibility. I'm sure you would have understood this lesson, watched the videos several times and learn well for a discussion class. Here's your assignment. Answer the short questions from your textbook, page number 198, questions from 1 to 6. Now this you should write it in your classwork. And state any 4 differences between the Cabinet and the Council of Ministers.